Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's Brenda G. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Before we get started today, as you can see, we have a little makeup tutorial, and it is going to be featuring the Wet n Wild VI Purple palette. This one right here. Wet n Wild is super cheap, super affordable. You could find it at any drugstore. But yeah, before we get into that, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed and to like this video because that will really help. And yeah, I'm just going to be jumping into a voiceover for the rest of the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. So as I said before, I'm starting out with the Wet n Wild Violet palette. It has some pinks, it has some purples, very cute. The first shade I'm taking is this light beige shade, and I'm going to be using that as the transition color. And just using a clean, fluffy brush, you just want to brush that along the crease. Then I'm taking this cool toned brown, and using the same brush, I'm just dusting that slightly under the first color. Going back to that original beige shade, I want to use that to blend the two colors together, and then take that cool toned brown again to define a little bit more. Taking a second clean brush, I'm going to be using this shimmery pink shade and dusting that right along where we put the brown shade. And what I'm doing here is I'm gently patting the color onto the crease to give more pigment. Taking another brush, we're going to be going in with that sparkly purple shade and going right into the crease. You want to go over that pink to kind of create a little bit more depth. Go back to that pink, and then we're just going to go over that to help blend stuff out. Going back with the purple, yes, it's a lot of going back and forth, but that helps us blend colors together. So just blend that into the pink, and then taking another brush, going in with that dark brown, we're going to use that to define the crease even more, blending that in with the purple. And then go back with that pink to make sure the crease area is all blended, not too brown, not too harsh, and then go back with that beige color to blend underneath the brow bone. And then going back to that lighter brown shade, we're going to take a smaller, more pointed and defined crease brush and really drawing right where the crease is to define it. Then going back with the purple, you want to take the same brush and blend that purple with the brown we just added. Back to the pink and just blend out the edges. And then go back to that brown with that definer brush and then help define the crease even more. And just blend all that out with a clean, fluffy brush. Take your concealer of choice and then a small concealer brush, and we're just going to be using this to carve out the crease. Just a simple cut crease. And that is what the ending result should look like. Next, we're going to take this glimmery gold shade and pack that in the inner part of the lid, avoiding going past the middle. Then take the pink glimmery shade and use that to pack the rest of the color on the opposite side of your lid. So going from the middle to your outer lid, blending that in with the gold. And just keep going back and forth with the two colors until you reach the intensity that you like. Try avoiding getting any color on the crease and above, and you could definitely use your finger to blend in as well, and that's the ending look. And just go back in with that small definer brush and the brown to help dust off any shadow that could have gotten into the crease and to help define the crease even more. And then just use a clean fluffy brush to just blend everything out. So I'm gonna finish the other eye, and then next step we're just gonna go in with some pink, and I'm just gonna use that to brush that on my lower lash line on the outer part of my eye. Then take the gold and do the same, but brush the gold on the inner part of your lower lash line, closer to your tear duct, if that makes sense. And then just go ahead and do a winged liner with a black eyeliner, and make sure you fill that in. Then after curling your lashes, you want to take your mascara of choice and just put on a few coats of mascara. Then taking some highlighter, we're going to put some on the inner corners of our eyes and brushing a little bit of that on our brow bones. And that is pretty much the complete look. And that is pretty much it for this tutorial, just a little pink gold cut crease kind of look. I'll zoom you guys in a little bit. So yeah, this is the complete look. I hope you guys like it. If you recreate it, definitely send me a picture. I would love to see it. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!